Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've got a question from you guys asking me to compare Airtable and Notion. I've actually used both software for quite a while. So today I want to do a comparison of both softwares. If you're looking for a software for content planning, this video is for you. If you're new here, my name is Chuoru. I share tips and tricks for small YouTubers and content creators on this channel. If you are a new YouTuber or content creator, or you're looking for productivity, time management, and organization tips for content creation, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let's first compare the cost of both plans. I personally have been using the free plans on both platforms. I think the free plan already give you enough functions to manage your YouTube channel and content creation. The second thing we want to compare is their accessibility. Both platforms are available to be logged in on the web. Notion also have a desktop app that you can download. Both of them also have phone apps that you can download to use on your phone to access pretty much all the functions. I have an Android phone. I'm actually not quite sure if they have ISO. If you have an iPhone, search it up and let me know. I personally like to use the web format a little bit better because I just find it typing it stuff. It's a little bit faster for me on the keyboard. On the phone, most of the time I just pull it up when I need to. So like right now, I'm filming my video, I will pull up the things that I already type up and just reference it as a notes. Let's talk about template. Both Airtable and Notion are pretty sophisticated softwares. They already set up a lot of templates that you can add and just get it going as soon as you sign up. But the good thing about Airtable is they already have a content calendar that you can actually just add it to your page. They actually already have these formats set up for you to use. All you need to do is go in to update these or add your own. They already set up all the channels that you may be posting, campaigns that you're working with. All you need to do is just fill in the templates that they set up for you. They also have a social media calendar that you can add. The layout is about the same. What's different is just the tags that in different categories. So like this one, they already set it up for different channels, the status of different posts, and also you can tag them as a different type of content. It's pretty straightforward, easy to maneuver, which is great. In Notion, there are also different type of templates. They break it down into different occupations, and there are all kinds of subcategories of templates that you can choose. They actually don't have a social calendar or content calendar templates. So if you are just looking to use the app to create content, Airtable may be just one that is more user-friendly because you can just choose the template and manipulate it. However, I do feel that Notion has more lifestyle, general productivity and time management type of templates. If you look at the templates here, they do break it down into lists, meeting notes, and different kind of functionalities. They do have different formats that you can choose and see which one works for you. For example, this one, there's a blog post template. You can basically just manipulate it in a blog post that you need to use. For Airtable, even though they do have different type of templates that you can use, when I go to these other templates, the formats seem to be just laid out about the same way. So it really depends on what you're looking for in terms of your layout. Now let's look at some automated functions. On Airtable, there's this automation function where you can customize automations. You can set up automatic posting to Twitter. You can set up a weekly reminder email digest for you. You can also create custom automation where you can choose different records to be sent to you. So if you need any type of reminder, things like that, Airtable has a function like this that you can utilize. Hi, so the other day when I was filming that Notion versus Airtable video, I didn't realize that Notion actually do have the reminder function and the third-party app function, so let me show you. The way to set up the Notion reminder is actually under the dates. If I come here and set up dates, at the bottom of the option table here, it does have reminders that I can set up. If I turn on the including time, you can actually set up the reminder 5 minutes at the time of the event, 10 minutes before, so it does have that reminder function. And Notion also does have a third-party app integration function. At the bottom here, you click this little add button, scroll down and see there are different things that you can add. There's database that you can add, You can add timeline tables. You can also add image, bookmark, audios. And here's the third-party embedment. You can put an embed link from Google Drive. You can integrate it with these apps that are here. So it does have third-party app functions. I have never used these functions, but it's there if you want to play with it and try it. The following week after this video is live, I will post another video showing you how I set up my Notion page, so make sure you stay tuned to that. Now let's get back to the video. Let's compare different views in both apps. For Airtable, they have Kanban view, they have grill view, form, calendar, gallery. Compared to Notion, they are quite similar. Notion also has, there's a list view, there's calendar view, there's board, which is the same Kanban views as the Airtable. You can also set up timelines. The view options are quite similar. There's one thing that Notion has and Airtable doesn't have. It's a quick note. So one of the things that I really like about Notion is that they have these quick notes formats that you can use. Say if you are just walking in a supermarket and suddenly there's an idea that comes to your mind, you can actually pull up your phone, pick up the quick note view and start writing on it as any type of quick notes for yourself. You don't have to actually put it in a specific format or content. If you have your stylus on your phone, you can even like draw pictures on it, do any kind of writing, things like that. I just feel like for Notion, this is a little bit more intuitive compared to Airtable. You can also set up your items as a to-do list where you can check mark. So for me, Notion is more of a project management and task management software for both home and personal finance and your projects. So in summary, which one is better? I personally feel that if you are looking for an app for content creation only, you just want to set up your content, Airtable is a great one. It has templates, it has third-party apps, so you don't have to do it from scratch. Airtable is very straightforward, easy to use. You can also pull up on your phone to see your scripts. But if you're thinking about on top of content creation, you also want to help with general project management, personal home planning, things like that. You like those intuitive, you can just pull up a list and write it down, or you can just add any like to-do list that you can check off. Notion is a little bit more user-friendly, so really depends on what you're looking for. So that's my comparison for both platforms. I hope it's helpful to you. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you in the next video.